Alam mo naman, isa sa mga problema ng ating bansa ngayon, ang polusyon.
Oo nga, oo.
Ang dami-dami na ngayon nagkakasakit dahil sa polusyon. Pero ngayon, umaga, good news mga boss, dahil nga maibsan na natin yan at meron na tayong solusyon. Of course, makasampo natin this morning ating very special guest. Let us all welcome Mr. June Gonzalo mula po sa Mapicon Pollution Control. Isa po siyang Executive Vice President po doon at isa pong Pinoy inventor. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to you, Carla and Diane. Good morning.
So, Sir June, ito, napag-usapan natin, Mapicon Pollution Control. Siguro, bigyan niyo po kami for the benefit of our viewers kung ano po itong Mapicon.
Okay, first, Mapicon is air. My Almighty's plan to exalt Christ operates now. And we organize our Mapicon as a corporate church with Jesus Christ as President. I am only the Executive Vice President.
Okay.
And so our purpose is to really help our country and practically in creating jobs,
Yes.
but through invention. And so we'll be discussing now some of my inventions versus pollution.
Oo nga,
We
sir.
are a pest control company, but nakita namin na, Diane, Carla, na kung pest control lang, wala. At saka nakita na namin na ang mas mahalaga ang pollution.
So, parang kumbaga sa papatayin mo mismo yung parang sa yung queen, 'di ba? Parang ganun yung gusto natin gawin, which is pollution 'yon.
Yes.
Okay.
So, para siyang comprehensive na, integrated na. Rather than yung isa lang problema, kinukuha mo yung source of the problem.
Yes.
Okay. Why is pollution more important even than pest control? Yung pest control, halimbawa, lamok, yung dengue, you get only sick when the mosquito bites. By the way, the mosquito go after you to each one of us, like that.
Yes.
Because of the odor of the carbon dioxide that we breathe. That is the one that attracts them. Okay. But we only have the problem when you are bitten by the mosquito. Whereas in pollution, even now, even if this is air conditioned, we're breathing it, we are getting pollution already.
Yes.
So all of us are affected. Our audience looking at us, they get the pollution while they are watching at us on TV.
So the solution is to clean the air.
Yes.
Clean the air, improve the quality of the air. That is the direction.
So that is your product.
That is the product and the service.
Oo nga, sir. Meron nga kayong bagong inbensyon.
Yes.
Ang General Pollution and Pest Abatement Maintenance at EEPAMP, ang Environment Pollution and Pest Abatement Maintenance Program. Ano po ba ito, sir?
Okay. Yung una, yung General Pest and Pollution Abatement Maintenance Program, sinama na natin.
But there are two types of program, right?
Yung program, yung isa parang environment, at saka pati na yung agriculture, kasama na yun sa panglabas. So, pangloob, panglabas.
So, linawin natin sa mga viewers natin, there are two types of program. Yung isa po, yung mga pangbahay, kung paano natin linisin yung pollution, clean yung air sa bahay natin. At yung sa labas naman, ito yung kunyari kapag magko-commute ka, di ba, sa EDSA, pag sa agriculture, yung nasabi nyo rin po. So, paano po nag-work itong dalawang programang ito?
Okay. Unahin natin muna yung sa agriculture.
Okay.
Okay, kasi lahat tayo kumakain. Ngayon, imbis na noon, spray lang kami laban sa mga peste. Halimbawa, system border, maraming agriculture pest yan. Tapos, halimbawa yung aming project sa Brooks Point ngayon, sa Palawan. Spray namin ng against the pest, but then sinamahan na namin, pag-spray doon, yung aming bioactive na based on activated carbon. We have a big activated carbon factory. Baka mamaya i-flash natin yon because Secretary Singson, Rogelio Singson, visited us. Now, once that we have a botanical insect growth regulator with the bioactive, once it is sprayed on the agriculture, on rice, you kill the insect pest, but then
Safe siya.
safe siya kasi walang pollution. The activated carbon powder there na mayroong impregnated na repellent like citronella, mag-stay yun doon sa leaves. And then that will prevent the other insect pests going into that farm. Kasi mali ngayon, you spray and spray, you control the insect pests, pero panay naman punta sa inyo.
Balik na
Okay,
balik.
let's go now nearer to the home. Like, for instance, in my own home, I have dogs, I have 4 dogs, and then I have mango tree, I have makopa, and then usually I have plenty of mosquitoes waiting outside. When you open the door, the mosquitoes come in, the flies also. Ngayon, ang ginawa namin, yung sa labas muna, we will spray the botanical insect cultivator dahil may mga flies na doon. Pagkatapos mix na rin yung aming bagong technology, bioactive, in form of powder na mamix sa solution. You spray that in the mango, in makopa, the canals are surrounded. And our house now becomes a veritable shield from pollution.
Yes.
And so the mosquitoes, the flies from the other houses will not go to our house now. But then I do not stop from just outside. I go in now. I hang like this bioactive. I hang that. This is how it looks. Nakahang siya doon. And then that will take all the pollution in the room. And then we spray also yung mga cupboards and so on. And so they will not go there anymore.
Okay.
So the air we breathe is clean and then no mosquitoes,
And
flies.
there, pati pests nawawala,
Nawawala rin.
I think this is really a perfect solution, no, Carla, sa problemang kinaharap natin ngayon dahil nga marami na ring diseases such as eto nga dengue fever ang naglalabasan. So, maiiwasan na natin itong mga sakit na to. Pag wala na itong mga lamok nito na talagang naiinis tayo pag laging may lamok sa
oo.
bahay.
So meaning, sir, this program cleans and purifies the air.
Purifies.
Yes. Sir, gano'n naman po ba ka-epektibo itong programang ito?
It is very effective because, number one, there are many I have also an equipment that measures the so-called quality of the air. Okay? But then lately, the Environmental Management Bureau of the DNR joins us. Do you not know that we also have a program of pollution control even on vehicles? Because the number one source of pollution are the vehicles.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, diesel fumes has been found already by an international organization to be the cause of lung cancer all over the world.
Yes.
Okay? And we now reduce the pollution of diesel by 65.8%. How? We put hydrogen into the diesel, we hydrogenate it, and that is the fuel now. We have now GCAL, Jesus Christ the Exalted Lord, and we are providing the DC land, big development land by 5,000, 10,000, and so they improve the pollution. So that is one way of fighting pollution also. We have to change our so na hindi masyadong pollutant. Okay, going back to the inside of the home,
Yes.
and also factories. We have factories, big factories in Jinsan, who is producing sardines. And you know, sardines odor attracts all the flies, plenty of flies. We apply the system, no flies, they do not come, they go to the other
There are other
factories. Yes.
Pero sir, for those viewers na interesado po to avail your products, saan po yung mga branches natin? I believe marami na po tayong branches ng Mapicon.
Okay. Thank you so much for that question. You just maybe in the internet or just contact your telephone directory, Metro Manila, and all the branches. There is Mapicon there under pest control. You can contact us from there. But then remember, what we are going now to do is to introduce GPAMP, General Pollution and Pest Abatement Maintenance Program, in case of buildings like this. And the other one is IPAMP, Environmental Pest Abatement and Maintenance Program, for all big areas. The Village Association,
Okay,
they can contact us and we can take care of all the pests, the dengue, mosquito, and so on, at the same time, the quality of the air in the area.
All right, at this point, sir, do you have any last message to our viewers?
Well, I'm very happy. I'm thankful that the TV4 is giving us this occasion. I thank also Diane and Carla for helping me on this. And the message is simple. It has helped improve the quality of air. We have all the responsibilities and try our invention. This is going to be probably an export to the world. We are the only one doing this, where we, especially your children, you have to protect the quality of the air of your children. We will protect and control the pollution in your home, but also the insect pests. So together, you will now be completely free. And maybe last, I'm taking Activate Carbon, this one. 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon
It cleans your blood, right?
cleans, detoxify. In short, the pollution in my blood is also detoxify. So I use Activate Carbon powder just to show that how safe it is that I even drink it. No more maintenance.
Alright.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much for
sir.
joining us this morning. That was Mr. June Gonzalo, Executive Vice President po ng MAPECON, and of course, isa pong Pinoy inventor. Thank you so much, sir.
Salamat
So
po.
much. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Carla, and thank you so
All
much.
right.